So now the markets have closed, as promised, I want to take that moment to actually look at what we have seen today, because it's been another iniquitous day in trading AMC. The price down by about 50 cents, that's about 2.5%. We're going to be seeing over the past 5 days actually now, if we can get that chart up, not much going on at all. And this is really strange because this is of course in a week we've had really blowout fantastic earnings for AMC. The price should be moving up, it's moving downwards. Now today especially has been one of these disappointing days. When we look at volume for today, if we can, we're looking at a figure of 24.49 million. Relatively low. It's been going down over the past few days as well. Again, really strange considering if this was any other stock on the market and if it had had the earnings that this company has had, it would have blown up. So it's very strange that we're seeing AMC down. Anyway, I want to talk over this quickly. I want to look at the price action. I want to look at the data quickly. Again, it's not going to be an in-depth video, but it's just going to be a quick sharing of opinion. If you do enjoy it, smash like and subscribe. But remember, as always, this is not financial advice. We're going to dive right in now, and I want to start off actually by looking at the Ortex data. Now, this hasn't really changed much. Of course, we looked at this briefly earlier today. I'm mainly going to focus on this page because we've looked at it already. This is a midday update. Massive shout out to the Ortex guy, JD Ruckus, who posted this. We're seeing things for the short interest today. Decrease of 0.17%, not too big. Estimated percentage of SI on loan is going to, estimated short interest currently is going to be 20.87. Estimated short interest as a number of shares, 106.87 million. Return shares, 1.6 million. Borrowed shares, 1.2 million. Borrowed change, 411k. The cost to borrow minimum, as we've uncovered earlier, is 1.47%. The cost to borrow maximum is 2.32. The average is sat there at 1.48. So we're still seeing the short interest above 20%, actually climbing to near enough 21. Looking at the data alone, there is no reason for the share price to be declining if you ask me. And they are going to look at the markets and say that's why. Market's not doing too well today across the board. S&P down by 0.5%, Dow down by 0.39%, Nasdaq down by 1.5%, and Russell down by almost 1.5% as well. So yeah, it's been a red day on the markets. But there becomes a point, in my opinion, and especially in my experience, where a stock's fundamental characteristics can, and sometimes should, outperform, or actually underperform in some cases, the market. In the sense that stocks should not move, directly alongside market trends. This company has seen phenomenal earnings. We've had great news, great confirmation by the CEO. And again, I want to reiterate that message. Why is nothing happening? And in future, when we're thinking about AMC, there's going to be a lot of FUD out there. We know that already. There already has been for a long time. But going forwards into the new generation of FUD, which is even more bottomless, it has no meaning at this point. It's just about divide and conquer tactics. Actually, I've made a video on that. It will be coming out soon. But yeah, based on what we're seeing right now, we're coming to a point where this is, really questionable. Why is nothing being done? This, or at least as soon as we have seen Adam Aron talking about the 90% plus, that should have been an immediate cause for action. We should have seen something happen immediately because that almost certainly proves that something dodgy is going on, if you ask me. Again, just my opinion, not financial advice. And, I'm not the cleverest person out here. I'm not going to claim that I am. A lot of apes in this movement are very clever, but, a lot of the time, it's just regular people like you and me who just use a little bit of common sense. It doesn't take a genius to uncover the data. It doesn't take a genius to uncover that something's probably not right here. But who does have a lot of geniuses working for them? People like the SEC. That's their job, to sort things like this. It's really funny, actually, how they've been able to turn a blind eye to this for so long. Now, I'm not bothered by it. I'm going to continue to hold for as long as it takes. But it is just really quite unfair at this stage. It's been a short video, but I did want to bring you the closing update. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll be back to see you in a bit. Goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.